This week I have partnered with Hyundai to bring you the top 15 family-friendly features of the all-new Hyundai STARIA. It's a spacious 8-seater people mover. You will not believe number 10. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow us on our socials, and there's a full independent review over on our website now, BabyDrive.com.au. Number 1 is it's an all-new 8-seater people mover for large families with 3, 4 or more kids. Its really spacious interior has perfect usability and flexibility for large families. It easily takes 3 child seats across in the second row, and an adult can really comfortably sit in the central seat between 2 child seats. And there's also really great third row access with child seats installed in the second row, as long as they're using the ISOFIX rather than the seatbelt. Number 2 is the all-new STARIA is based on the same technology as the Santa Fe SUV, which means you get the best of both worlds. SUV capability with the space and practicality of a people mover. For example, the STARIA uniquely comes with Hyundai's H-Track all-wheel drive system. That's if you go for the 2.2 litre diesel engine like the one I'm driving. Or there's front-wheel drive if you go for the 3.5 litre petrol V6. All-wheel drive people movers are rare, especially at this price point. And both engine choices, including the all-wheel drive diesel, are available from entry-level STARIA through to the top-spec Highlander. Number 3, also like the Santa Fe, it comes with a 2.5 tonne towing capacity, making it great for family holidays and camping trips. Number 4 are the smart powered sliding doors. They sense when the key fob is nearby and then open automatically. It's really handy for when you come to the car with your child and you can put them straight into their seat. Number 5 is similarly, the smart power tailgate opens automatically when it senses the key fob nearby, leaving your hands nice and free to carry your children and your belongings to put in the boot. Number 6 is this boot size is amazing. It's got a nice flat floor and you can even stand a twin pram up in the back. Number 7 is there's 7 airbags in the STARIA, including protection for the third row passengers and an airbag between the front row passengers. There's also 3-point seat belts throughout the STARIA. Number 8 is the surround view monitor with 3D view functionality. It's great for manoeuvring, parking, and also for just checking there's no little kids around the outside of the car before you pull off. Number 9 is the blind spot view monitor. It comes up in the screen in front of the driver when you indicate. Really good for changing lanes or turning so you can see down the side of the vehicle. Number 10, and I promised you it was a good one, rear passenger view monitor. You can spy on your little ones in the back while you're driving along to make sure they're all okay. Who doesn't want this? Number 11 is side exit assist. It sounds an alarm if another road user comes alongside you so that the kids don't get out into their path. Number 12 is the STARIA has a big 10.25-inch media screen. The media system is great in the STARIA. It's so easy to use and packed full of features families will love, like sounds of nature, for example, which is white noise at your fingertips. You've got different ones to choose from and it keeps your little passengers nice and calm and sleepy in the car. There's quiet mode as well, which brings the sound through from the back to the front. If you've got little passengers on devices or asleep in the back, it's really handy. There's also voice memo, which I find is really good for capturing all those funny little conversations you have with your little ones while you're driving along. It also has CarPlay and Android Auto too, which is really good. Number 13 is there are aircon vents in the ceiling for both rear rows of passengers. There's also controls in the ceiling for older kids and grown-ups to use, or you can lock those and control the rear climate through the front media screen. Number 14 is the windows are enormous in the STARIA, giving great visibility for passengers big and small, and especially your rear-facing child seats. Now there are 2 sunroofs too, and there are built-in window blinds in both rear rows of windows. Number 15 is the storage in the STARIA. It's next level with 16 cup holders, including two of my favourite dashboard cup holders. I've had a great time driving the new STARIA this week with my family. To see the full independent review, go to BabyDrive.com.au or our YouTube channel.